Hey there, people. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today, these are the Johnson & Johnson Safety Swabs. Now, these are a long time coming. I think it was about time they had something like this. I don't know how long they've been out there, but I found these probably about maybe 7 months ago. And I would have loved to use these when all my kids were small children. Small like babies, because you see this? See how different that is than a normal cotton swab? They have this edge, this tip that's kind of tapered, but then it gets big at the end, so it makes it so you can only put the tip in just so far. And then you can't put it in anymore, because everyone knows that, everyone should know that it's very dangerous to stick things in your ears. But everyone also knows that it feels so good to stick things in your ears and, clean out your ears of all the wax and everything. It's heavenly sometimes, but you push a lot of the wax back up inside your ear when you do that, and you risk damaging your eardrum and all of that. You have to be really careful. So what these do is it makes it so you can only go in just as far as this tip is tapered. Yeah, so it's really, really a nice invention here, and everybody should use these on their children. Actually, they should use it on themselves, actually. I've seen these specifically for babies, but they should just make them like this now. Maybe they think that, if a person wants to stick a cotton swab in their ears and all the way deep in their ears, they should have the right to do that. So adults can, use the regular ones. But babies, they don't have a choice. So you have to be careful, and this is how you're careful. These are very, very good. They're very, very soft for a nice, good cleaning. The handle is very sturdy, so you can get a good grip on it. I've seen Q-tips and other cotton swabs and stuff that were very flimsy. The handle here, I guess, rod was very thin, cheap plastic that just bent, if you looked at it wrong, And this plastic is very, very sturdy, and you need that. It's really good. My kids love it. They love getting their ears cleaned this way, and they feel safer, because a lot of times when I say, okay, it's time to clean your ears, even though they like the way it feels, you're kind of putting eardrum in the hands of someone else, so you can kind of feel it going in, but you're wondering if that person's going to mess up or something and put it in too deep, so you're kind of weary. So if you know that you can't do that, and that it's just going in so far and it's not going to go in anymore, you can just sit back and relax and just let the cleaning happen. It's like having a nice massage that can't go wrong, right? So that's why I like these. They're really, really good, really soft and ready to use. I can't imagine anyone's ear hole in their ear being big enough to stick this big bulb in there. If your ear hole is that big, then you still have a problem, if you can get that in there. But I've used them myself, and I can't get it in to my ear any deeper than the swab tip, if I actually jam it in there like I'm trying to stab the side of my head, it'll go in, but you'd have to really, really jam it, But these are good. These are very, very good. I'm not sure how long these have been out there, but I was really happy to find them, and I couldn't actually wait to use them. These are really good. I used it on all my kids and they all really enjoy them. Yeah, and these are safe too, because a lot of times, I mean, you're supposed to keep these out of the reach of children, because you don't want kids sticking things in their ear. But just in case they did get their hands on there, you know, you can't watch them all the time. At least, you know, it's not going to get too far into their ear because they're going to want to try it. So yeah, these are very good. Okay, well, we've been talking about the Johnson & Johnson Safety Swabs. I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.